Hello, Market Watcher. I'm David Ravel, and this is Value Side for Wednesday, August 25. Today, cryptocurrency hackable? Is that possible? That, and our preview of the rest of today's corporate results, along with the latest news on the economy, coming right up. Well, on Monday, it was reported that the Japanese cryptocurrency exchange, called Liquid, has been hacked. The thieves were able to walk away with nearly $100 million in Ethereum, one of the principal cryptocurrencies. This represents quite a blow to the crypto community, as it was formerly thought that it's not possible to hack cryptos. Based on blockchain technology, it has been claimed that blockchain, because of its distributed nature, is not subject to outside interference. In fact, it is upon this single attribute which all of cryptocurrencies rely. Now, I find the history of cryptocurrency to be absolutely fascinating. The public was introduced to Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency, on Halloween of 2008. On that date, Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper entitled Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system. The paper can still be found on the website bitcoin.org. Now, the name Satoshi Nakamoto is almost certainly not real. Instead, it likely represents an individual or a group that still today remains a mystery. But what they have created is the most dynamic new currency system. The objective of Bitcoin and all the rest of the cryptos is to be able to have an exchange between individuals which would record each transaction by a network timestamp that would hash them into a hash-based proof of work, to quote the blockchain. It was the blockchain, if you will, unchangeable and, at least in theory, unhackable. So how is it that in the past couple of weeks we've had two hacks? The first at Poly Networks, and now this one at the Liquid Crypto Exchange. Well, it looks like we're a couple of weeks away from knowing the full answer to these hacks, as the investigations by both entities, Poly Network and the Liquid Exchange, are still ongoing. But it may well be that the answer is that both hacks occurred outside the blockchain. In the case of Poly Network, on their own platform, which allows coin investors to move assets between cryptos. And at the Liquid Exchange, at least part of the hack, again occurred on their own platform, and again, as assets were moving from one crypto to another. Finally, in an interesting turn of events, Poly Network announced that all of the cryptos that were stolen have been returned to Poly, and that none of the crypto customers have been affected. In return for this white hat action, Poly has rewarded the hacker with a $500,000 bonus for exposing their security flaw, and Poly also offered the hacker to become the chief of their internet security. No word yet if the hacker has accepted. Now, in economic reports overnight, Japan saw an uptick in their leading economic indicators. While Germany reported mixed indicators, their business climate survey declined slightly, while their current conditions survey rose slightly. We'll call it flat for the evening for Germany. Now, this morning, we've seen a big move in U.S. mortgage applications, rising over 1.5% through August 20, after falling over 3.5% last month. Realtors must be encouraged by that move. In earnings today, three internet-based technology companies, Salesforce.com, Snowflake, and Splunk, all will report after the market closes. Also reporting after the close today will be Ulta Beauty. Now, just reporting has been Autodesk, the engineering and architectural software company. Investors must be pleased with the results so far. The stock is bid. And that's the value side for Wednesday, August 25. I'm David Ravel. Please join me in praying that our country may get back to work.